it's actually it's the sound of the magnetic field of the comet. So this comet has a little residual magnetic field left over from the origin of the solar system when the comet was made nearly 5 billion years ago. And those sort of changes that you're hearing are basically caused by, we think, particles from the comet and maybe particles from the sun travelling through the magnetic field of the comet. So rather than watching a sort of graph of a wiggly line, that's been turned into sound for us to hear it.